pretty hard. I don't know if it can. We're about to find out. Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Corey, and this is Get Sharp. And apparently, my cheeks are too shiny, according to my father. So, there you go, Dad. All right. Tonight, for the first time, you're going to see sharpening in two perspectives. Third person, first person. Like your hands are the one doing the grinding. In this cleaver by Chef Peter Yan from Yan Can Cook. All right, guys, let's get to cooking. All right, this is actually quite exciting because you guys get to see what it looks like from my perspective. Okay, so first things first, I notice we have an asymmetrical bevel. This side is more shallow than this side. On this side of the blade, we're gonna do a 15 degree. So I'm gonna put 15 on this side. That way it's apparent we're doing 15 here. Then we're gonna go 30 degrees on this side. Guess we gotta set our angles up first. Let's go ahead and start with 30 degrees. Okay, we're sitting at 30. Let's do the thing. So this is our 15 side, this is our 30. All right, I think it's go time for 15. I left this on so we can just swap to that quite quickly. Go 15 degrees. So my handle's bumping down here a little bit. So I've got no choice but to hit this at a little bit of a lower angle up here. This is a 100 grit ceramic belt. I chose that because I don't want that ugly slap pattern that I get from the, 60, 40 grit ceramic belts. It really beats up the bevel. But this isn't the hardest steel. I can get through it quite quickly. And looks like we're pretty close to a burr. Okay. Got to be pretty damn close. Hear it rubbing against my fingerprints. Okay, that was 100. Let's go ahead and step up to 200. Okay, back to 30. I see a little bit of a decrease there, so I'm not putting a lot of time down here. I'm gonna kind of focus up here more. Just trying to, you see how it's nice and kind of even round over here, this nice little slope? That's what I want over here. So I'm gonna do enough to just kind of kiss that bevel, clean it up a little bit, but I'm gonna put my pressure here. Let's go ahead and grab that one. Okay, how much fun sharpening is. It's Friday night here in the darkest place on earth, Seattle, Washington. When I mean dark, I mean there is no sunshine. I don't know how you spend your Friday nights, but this is how I prefer to spend mine. All right, let's hit the Kangaroo Strop and finish this thing up. We saw this Kangaroo Strop increase our sharpness last night by 10 to damn near 20%. This thing works really well. So when you see all those guys and women talking about these things online, they're not lying. And we hit the soft side. Nice and soft. Go. We've got an asymmetrical bevel. Let's see if this thing can cut. Pretty hard. I don't know if it can. We're about to find out. All right. Got a big old chunk of sugarcane here. Look how thick that thing is. We're gonna see if the Yon Can Cook chop sugarcane. Not too bad. I'm happy with that. Do a little detail on the end here. Oh, it's like wood. Jesus. Let's chew some. Let's taste this stuff. Oh, yeah. Sugarcane is actually quite tasty. Hey, Tanya, you want to try some sugarcane? Here.
Is it good?
Yeah. You know what it reminds me of? Sweet tea. This Apex was brought to you by DBX Knives and Mr. Daniel Bottner. I've been waiting a long time to meet someone like him. Someone with a different mindset, a different theory on edge stability. And he's the one that recommended 15 on the inside, 30 degrees on the outside. And why? To prevent the edge from rolling. I hit that cutting board hard. I put a lot of force into it. And I'll tell you right now, if that was one of my angles with that amount of force, like the knife I did yesterday, oh, that thing would have folded. And I was very surprised. Like, it didn't cut through the U-line perfectly, but when it was cutting through it, I was surprised to see it doing that well. So his science, his theories have really piqued my curiosity after this one. So Daniel, I'm gonna continue to test your theories. And if you wanna test what he's up to, come join the Get Sharp Discord. He's in there all the time. You can talk to him in real time, pick his brain, or try to poke holes in his process. It's fun. Why not? All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.